Welcome back, everybody. Here we are. Let's see what it sounds like in the tunnel. Please flip you around. Did that make you sick? Hope you didn't throw up. What's with all this traffic? I specifically came over to this tunnel. You're killing me! What the freaking hell? A bunch of sissies in this tunnel right now. It is only 4 o'clock, but it is what it is. So you better like, subscribe, make a comment, do something. I'm stuck at 73 subscribers. Come on, people. I'm making the videos. Get your butts out there and click that button. Hey, it's a lot of fun driving and trying to record it. Hey, why is my thing up so high? Alright, let's see if we can get a good takeoff. Here we go. Down in old Mexico, we are in Mexico. Arriba, arriba, ay, 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 ay. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Alright, everybody, I'm outie.